What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a pickup of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, and we on our way to go pick them up right now through the snow. Bro, what we do for these shoes, as most of you know, it's been crazy, man, this past week. You got the fires out in LA. Want to give my prayers out to those people, man, going through it over there with those LA fires. And then on the East Coast, you got the snowstorms that rolled through, as you can see. So we're going out of state to go pick these Black Cats up. Again, like I said, what we do for these shoes. So we're just gonna push through the snow and go pick these shoes up. All right, guys, so we pulled up at Dick's Sporting Goods. We was able to cop with 4 minutes to spare. I think they stopped picking up at 2 p.m. After that, it's first come, first serve. So I was able to pick these up with 4 minutes to spare. As you can see, we have the bag right here in the shoes, size 12. Crazy thing about it, I actually won 2 raffles, one at Foot Locker and one at this Dick's. All right, so let's get back on the road. All right, guys, so we made it back home from picking up these Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Man, let me tell you, it's been a trip, man. I've been out trying to get these shoes for like 6 hours. It was like a 6-hour round trip picking up these shoes. But I will say, very well worth the pickup. So let's go ahead and jump into this shoe. As you can see, it does come in your standard Jordan 3 Jordan box, black, with the red Jumpman on the lid. And taking a look at the sizing tag, it reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, colorway black, dark, charcoal, white. Of course, we picked this up in the size 12. As I stated, regular Jordan 3 box, red underneath the lid. Also have your cement paper. Here you have it, guys, Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. We're going to give you a quick 360 of the shoe, jump into the details of it. Here's a quick shot at the lateral side of the shoe. Here's a look at the rear of the shoe. Here's a look at the medial side of the shoe. Here's the overhead look at the shoe. Moving up the tongue. And last but not least, here's a look at the outsole of the shoe. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this shoe. First impressions, I love it, man. Absolutely love this shoe. I love the contrast of black hits on this shoe. And I think the charcoal looks amazing going against this black patent leather mid panel. I know a lot of people do not like that patent leather, but hey, I think they use it in an okay way. Moving down into that midsole, it also has like a real high gloss black. And what's crazy is that it's like a split. The lower portion of the midsole is actually like a lighter black paint, almost like a matte paint. So they did try to break that up somewhat. But yeah, I think the patent leather is okay, man. I'm not really too mad at it, man. I think why I'm really not too mad at it is because of the charcoal elephant print and also the suede up top. The suede up top gives off that matte look. And the contrast between the suede and that patent leather is a steep contrast, and it just makes it pop. And even taking a look at this top eyelet section, it also has a metal polished black look. That just ties in good with that patent leather, as you can see it. Nice little touch to it. It's also in these eyelet section as well. This is pretty much a flat black. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and look at this shoe from top to bottom. Up top, you have your standard black neoprene sock liner. And it does have your black insole with that white Jumpman. Moving into the ankle collar, it is black perforated suede along the ankle collar, and that suede perforation extends down into the midfoot eyelet section as well. And jumping down into the uppers of the shoe, you have this very soft nubuck suede. Really love this. Hopefully it doesn't create itself as like a lint magnet, but I can see that being a possibility. But overall very nice feel to it. And that extends the whole upper of the shoe moving into the toe box. I think a water repellent might actually be in hand for these shoes, but taking a look at the medial side, same as the lateral. Very nice material, man. And moving out into the dark charcoal elephant print, probably my favorite part on the shoe, along with this upper nubuck suede. Here's a closer look at that patent leather. I don't know what they could have changed about that. They possibly could have made it like a matte, just to keep it kind of matted, but I'm not sure how that would, contrast with that upper suede. So I think it's a nice touch to it, man. If anything, they possibly could have made the full midsole a matte black and just leave the patent alone. Cause I can see how it's kind of offsetting with the shiny patent leather up top, moving into this part being very glossed as well. Could be slight overdoing it at that point, but I'm good with it nonetheless. Here's a look at that toe box shape. Very sleek and angle cut. I really love my pair with the drop off point right here. Some of them extend too far. I really like that. Nice sleek cut off. Decent drop off on the medial. Wish it was somewhat slimmer right here, but nonetheless looks okay. Let's take a look at the laces. It does come with black and charcoal. A lot of people calling this elephant print. Man, I think it actually might be like leopard print, because this is a black cat. And I want to say, like, when they do use the black cat moniker for Michael Jordan, it's usually is it Black Panther or is it Black Leopard? But anyway, it's probably elephant print. Most likely is, but I could see them using it like Black Leopard as well, Black Cat. Here's a look at the tongue. It has that nice sleek tongue on it. It also has that very soft nubuck on it. Also has the raised Jumpman logo. It has like that raised plasticky rubberized material on it. Here's a look at the back tab. It has the Jumpman Air, and that is in that gloss black. I really like the look of that. Gloss black, dark charcoal, and then gloss black again. So I could see why they used the gloss black on the midsole. That's a nice touch right there. But guys, how did y'all make out on this shoe? Did you go for it? Did you pass on it? I hit the road early on Saturday morning, but I was kind of listening to some live streams. Seems like these things sold out on Nike app and sneakers app pretty quick. So let me know how it's looking in your area. Is any of these sitting around? Again, I had won a raffle at Foot Locker in an adjacent state to mine, and I also won from Dick's Sporting Goods in the same state, so I had to go over state lines to pick mine up. Crazy story. It had been snowing on the East Coast, so the mall actually didn't open, and I drove almost 3 hours to get there through snow and ice, and they actually was closed. So that was at the Foot Locker, and that was like right at noon. So called Dick's Sporting Goods, asked them what's the latest I can get there and pick them up. They was like 2 p.m. and I was exactly 2 hours away from that location. So I had to get there. I was able to actually make it within minutes of 2 o'clock to pick them up. And it was crazy. The girl at Dick's, they had like a cart full of them, people picking them up. She didn't even ask for ID or nothing. She just asked for size. I was like, yeah. As long as y'all got that 12, I'm good. Hey, put them in the bag, kept it pushing. But here's a look at my left shoe. Just gonna take a quick 360 look at this one, see how the quality on it. And again, I really like the drop off on this pair I got, both of them. Really like that angle cut. Heel counter section moves right into this groove, how I like it. Shape of the toe box looks good. Medial side of the shoe. I really like this angle cut a little better than the other shoe. That's how I really like them. But the other one's not too bad. But yeah, man, very dope shoe. I love the materials used on it, man. Especially that upper suede. It's so soft. Really love that. I love the overall contrasting black panels on this shoe. The dark charcoal gray sets it off for me. Only thing I don't like about it, probably laces. I probably will throw some black laces in there. Not really feeling these elephant print laces or black leopard laces. I'm not feeling those. But knowing me, I'll probably just be lazy and keep them in there and rock them anyway. But yeah, I might try to throw some black laces in those. I really love the contrast on these back tabs. That gloss Jumpman and Air against that matte black looks really good, man. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this shoe. I think Nike executed it pretty well, man. This is my first Jordan 3 Black Cat. I wasn't able to pick up the first pair of them, but I'm really feeling this shoe, man. I like it. I think it's actually worth the price tag of it, man. I know for me it was worth the pickup, even though it was a 6 hour round trip to pick these up. I think it was well worth it though. Hey, they started out with a bang with this one, in my opinion. I think my next pickup probably will be well, my next Jordan pickup it will be the Jordan 1 Bred 85s. I know for a fact that'll be my next Jordan pickup. I'm gonna try anyway. Hopefully they're not too limited, but I will be going for it. Probably got some SBs I might grab before then. That's next month for the 85 Breds. So probably we'll get some SBs in between, or if something comes out, I'm hearing. I think somebody was saying possibly the reimagined Jordan 5s, but I think I'm gonna pass on those. But yeah, stay tuned to the channel, guys, because as I stated, I got those shoes coming up. I'm always looking at stuff, so it ain't no telling what I'm probably gonna pick up. So stay tuned to the channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also feel free to go check out my previous videos. I got uploaded Wizard of Oz. Also has the Travis Scott one Velvet Browns loaded up as well. So please feel free to go check those videos out. And I appreciate y'all for coming to take a look at this video. Till the next time, peace.